About the book and author. The Art of Letting Go, 2023, is a transformative self-help book that explores the complex process of releasing attachments, negative emotions, and limiting beliefs. Nick Trenton, a psychologist with a master's degree in behavioral psychology, specializes in behavioral psychology and has authored over 30 books in the field. His work focuses on teaching people practical techniques for managing their thoughts and emotions, aiming to provide accessible strategies for mental well-being. Part 1. Understanding the foundations of letting go. Embrace what you can control. Trenton introduces the concept of the dichotomy of control, emphasizing the importance of distinguishing between what we can and cannot control. By focusing on our own actions and attitudes, we can reduce anxiety and stress. For instance, in situations where outcomes are uncertain, directing energy toward our responses rather than external events can lead to greater peace of mind. 2. Overcome your inner critic. Many of us grapple with an internal voice that criticizes and undermines our confidence. Trenton suggests practicing self-compassion by acknowledging our mistakes without harsh judgment. Viewing ourselves through a lens of understanding, much like we would a close friend, can foster resilience and promote personal growth. Third, shift from perfectionism to excellence. Perfectionism often leads to dissatisfaction and burnout. Trenton advocates for excellentism, which focuses on doing our best without the unrealistic expectation of flawlessness. By valuing progress over perfection, we can celebrate achievements and learn from setbacks. 4. Reframe challenges as opportunities. Adopting a growth mindset allows us to view challenges as chances to learn and evolve. Instead of asking, "Why did this happen to me?" we can ask, "What can I learn from this?" This perspective encourages adaptability and continuous self-improvement. Practice emotional distancing. Emotional distancing involves stepping back from intense feelings to view situations more objectively. Techniques like mindfulness and visualization can help us respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively, leading to better decision-making and emotional regulation. Part 2. Embracing forgiveness, mindfulness, and purpose. 6. Let go of labels. Our identities are often based on rigid expectations we or others set, trapping us into roles that might no longer fit. Freedom comes from letting go of these fixed labels. Releasing outdated identities opens the door to fluidity, where you aren't bound by the past, failures, or societal boxes. Instead, you can focus on exploring who you are today and where you want to go without constraints. 7. Shift internal dialogue. The voice in your head fuels who you become. By externalizing negative self-talk, you take away its control and rewrite the conversation. Visualize doubts as a separate character, a critic you don't have to listen to. Replace its lines with affirmations from a supportive, hopeful perspective. Naming your inner saboteur makes it easier to explore and challenge its impact on your life. 8. Acknowledge emotional pain to process and release. Avoiding emotional pain only prolongs suffering. To truly let go, we must acknowledge and confront our pain head-on, without distractions or attempts to numb it. By consciously working through emotional pain, we can process it more effectively, leading to genuine healing and the ability to move forward. 9. Live in the present moment. Mindfulness, or focusing on the present, helps us let go of past regrets and future anxieties. By engaging fully with the current moment, we can experience greater peace and clarity. Practices like meditation and mindful observation can aid in cultivating this awareness. Identify your life's purpose. Understanding our core values and what brings us fulfillment can guide our actions and decisions. Trenton encourages readers to reflect on their passions and strengths to uncover their life's purpose. Aligning our lives with this purpose can lead to increased satisfaction and direction. Conclusion: what we can learn from the art of letting go. Nick Trenton's The Art of Letting Go offers a roadmap to emotional freedom and personal growth. By embracing forgiveness, practicing mindfulness, and seeking purpose, we can let go of emotional burdens and lead more fulfilling lives. This journey involves recognizing and releasing outdated labels and identities, transforming negative self-talk into empowering narratives, confronting and processing emotional pain for genuine healing, cultivating mindfulness to live fully in the present, clarifying our life's purpose to guide meaningful decisions. By integrating these practices into our daily lives, we can foster resilience, clarity, and a deeper connection to our true selves. Letting go isn't about loss, it's about gaining the freedom to live authentically and purposefully. Thank you for joining us in this exploration. May these insights inspire you to release what no longer serves you and embrace a life of peace and purpose.
Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch another one. We think you'll love it. And don't forget to follow us for more easy English and amazing book summaries. See you soon!